Hi guys, you are watching my Wordpress series, and in my previous video I explained you the basic concepts of the website. So in today's video I will explain you that how you can manage your website, how you can use your own plugins, your own themes, and you can make your own website without knowing the single word of any programming languages. So let's go to the video to understand this, that how you can make the website without knowing the programming language. Hi guys, you are watching the third episode of the Wordpress series, and I hope you all are fine. If you don't watch the previous videos in which I explained the basic concept of website, so I recommend you to must watch that videos before watching this video, so you can able to understand what I am explaining you in this video. So let's go towards the video. To you came to know after seeing the thumbnail and title at what I am going to explain you in this video. So first of all, we are going to talk today. We are going to talk about the WordPress. You know WordPress. You have listened the name of WordPress. So what is WordPress? What is the basically WordPress? So WordPress, also known as WP or WordPress.org. I will explain you uh, later that what is org and .com. Is a web content management system. This is very important. That content management system. What is CMS? CMS is the content managing system which allows you to manage your content, as the words itself explaining its meaning. That the platform which allows you to manage your content is called the management system. And what is web content management system? The platform like WordPress, which allows you, which provides you the environment in which you can manage the content of your website. You can use your own themes, your own plugins. I will show you my website. I made this website on WordPress. Okay, I apply my own themes, I apply plugins. So I will tell you about that. So here is the uh, my website's WordPress. You can see the different pages of my WordPress. Here I can manage the different. Here I can manage the pages of my website. Here you can see the plugins which I have installed, which I used for in making my website. And when I come to theme, here you can see that which theme I am using. I am using my home theme. There is another theme named 2023. They are different themes. You can also customize. You can also make your own theme. But for this you have to you have the knowledge of the coding. So we are in today's video we are talking that how you can make website without the coding. So I make this all website without knowing the code, without knowing the programming language. How? By using that theme, by using plugins. I can manage all my things. Okay. For example, I will explain you that you can see the page, home page. I will go on home page. That's my home page. I will go to edit this. So if I want to change anything, for example, I will tell you that if I want to change the X color to from red to black, if you are a programmer, you have to change this from programming. Okay, by doing programming, by changing X color in code. But while you use the WordPress, you have only changed the color. I will tell you that it takes some time. It will take some time to open. Here you can see I am able to change. I am able to edit my website. For example, I want to change the X color, so I go here. One second. Go here. And I will go in style, and only I change its text color from black to which I want. For example, I want to change its color to black or white. You will see that it will change to white. See, it changed to white. This is this is how you can edit your website. This is how you can manage your website without knowing a coding. Because if you do coding, you have to change the code. And WordPress do it change code by itself. For example, let me check. When you do coding, you have to change this. I will tell you that you have to change this by coding. Here you can see the code. But what WordPress do? WordPress change itself when you change that. When you change that, it change its color by itself. Here, who I am, exchange is heading H3. It uses H3. When you do coding, you have to select the which heading you want to apply. So here you only have to select the size or only color which you want. You don't have to write the code. So that's how WordPress help you to manage your website. I hope you understand. Okay. So I explained to that how it helps you to manage the content, how it helps you to manage your content. Okay, so it is a web content management system. It allows you to manage your content on website. Like allows you to manage your pictures. It allows you to manage your themes, plugins, and allows you to customize your entire website how you want. So it was originally published to create. It was originally created to publish blogs. As you know, that also in my website I publish blog. So it was originally created to publish the blogs, but and also it is used to make web pages. Okay. So and in my first video I told you that the website is the collection of web pages. So when you make the different pages, I told you that I I make pages different on WordPress. So I link the all pages so to make a website. Okay, so website allows you to make a page to which you connect with each other. So a works website you can say the make and you can make a website by linking all that pages. Okay, so works and also the important point, you know that it allows you to manage your content. You also came to know that it allows you to publish blogs. It was originally created to publish blogs, and it allows you to make web pages. By linking that pages you can make your website. But the one of the best point of this is that it is free. Because how? Because it is a free and open source software which allow anyone can came here and anyone can download and install the WordPress and make his website. Because it is free and open source, and this is one of the best point due to which it is very famous. And according to the statistics, 40 almost 45% of the websites on the internet is made on WordPress. So you can see the importance of WordPress from this. So in which language WordPress is created? WordPress is created in the MySQL and the PHP. Okay, for the backend programming of this WordPress, the application is done in the PHP and the MySQL. So you link your database to the WordPress to run your website on internet. I will tell you in my next videos that how you can link. But in today's video I will only tell you that this is made on PHP and MySQL, and when you link your database with the WordPress, your website will be live. Okay, it's the basic concept, and you can say that the basic definition of WordPress. When anyone asks from you that what is WordPress, you can say that it is a content management system which allow you to manage the different types of content on your website, and also it is the free. It is free. So now come to what is WordPress.com and what is WordPress.org. This two different things. When you search on the Google, like work is only when you search WordPress, you can say here that WordPress.org and WordPress.com. What is difference between them? So first of all, the WordPress.com, and which I am using. I am using WordPress.org. Why I am using WordPress.org? Because WordPress.org is simple, easy. Because we you only you it is we can anyone can use it by one click installation process. You can install it by one click and you can use it to make a website. And also there is no foundation in it. You can monetize your website. You can show unlimited ads on your website. It does no they don't apply any limitations on your website. You can use your own themes, your own plugins, all the things that you want you use on your website. There's We can say that there's no limitations on WordPress.org, but we can say that two limitations of the WordPress is that WordPress.org is that it don't provide you the domain or hosting, you can say. It don't provide you domain or hosting, and if you don't know what is hosting, you can watch my first video. uh, it don't provide you the hosting, and the other thing is that it don't provide you the security and support. For example, if anything don't work on your WordPress, it don't provide you you have to solve your problem yourself. It don't provide any support. So that's about the WordPress.org. And what is about the WordPress.com? WordPress.com has some limitations. WordPress.org is a free open source software, but WordPress.com is a profit based, you can say, software application, because they take some money. They take some money to give you services. For example, if you there are different packages, and it depends on you that which package you buy. So the services are according to that package. You can use the themes, you can use the plugins according to that package. So there are, you can say, some limitations on in WordPress.com. So uh, but there's also some good points that we can say about the WordPress.com, which are that you they provide you the domain name, they provide you hosting, but you can but mostly people prefer WordPress.org because there are also many limitations on WordPress.com, like other they also apply foundations on the ads. You cannot run unlimited ads on your website. So that's why people mostly prefer the WordPress.org because it's free. You only have to buy your own domain from third party. So there's some main difference between, like, it has some limitations or foundations, and it don't have any foundations or limitations, but it don't provide you the hosting. It provides you hosting, but there's a simple difference. So in today's video, I will tell you that I told you that I explained you that what is the WordPress, the basic definition of WordPress, and I explained you that difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. And in this series, I will explain you how to make website on WordPress.org. Okay, my own website is also made on WordPress.org, and it's also easy. So this is all about today. Uh, if you don't understand anything, and if you have any query, you can ask me in comments. I will answer you, and I will try to give you my best in this is. And in my next video, I will explain you, and we will start the practical work of the WordPress. We will install the WordPress, and I will tell you about the WordPress server, local server, and I will tell you like about that things. So that's about all about today. Take care. We will make in the new video. I will bring the more informational and educational videos for you. So take care of yourself. Meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.